Welcome to Nature's Wonders, the show where we dive into the most fascinating, bizarre, and beautiful phenomena of the natural world. Today's story takes us beneath the waves to meet one of the ocean's most curious and charming residents, the seahorse. And no, it's not just their horse-like heads, upright posture, or their gentle way of gliding through the water that makes them remarkable. It's something far more unusual. In the world of seahorses, it's the males who get pregnant. That's right. The dads carry the babies, and they even go through labor. Let's begin with a little background. Seahorses belong to the genus Hippocampus, which means horse sea monster in Greek, though they're hardly monstrous. With their curled tails, tiny fins, and leaf-like camouflage, they often look more like bits of drifting seaweed than living creatures. But behind that delicate appearance is a life cycle that challenges everything we typically expect in the animal kingdom, especially when it comes to reproduction. In most species, the female is the one who carries and births the offspring. But in seahorses, pipefish, and sea dragons, all members of the family Cygnethidae, that role is flipped. Here's how it works. During an intricate and beautiful courtship dance, a female seahorse deposits her eggs into a specialized brood pouch on the male's abdomen. This pouch is a true marvel of evolution. It's more than just a holding chamber. It provides oxygen, nutrients, waste removal, and even immunological protection, much like a human placenta. The male then fertilizes the eggs internally and carries them, sometimes hundreds at a time, for several weeks, depending on the species and environmental conditions. During this time, his body carefully regulates the salinity within the pouch, gradually adjusting it to match the outside ocean environment. This prepares the young for life beyond their father's body. When it's time to give birth, the male undergoes muscular contractions, essentially going into labor to push the tiny seahorses out into the water. The process can take minutes or even hours, and when it's all done, dozens, sometimes hundreds of miniature seahorses drift into the open sea. Each one is a perfect tiny replica of its parents, and from that moment on, they're on their own. The father's job is done until the next breeding cycle begins. Why this role reversal? Scientists believe it gives seahorses a reproductive advantage. By transferring the burden of pregnancy to males, females are free to produce more eggs in a shorter time. This allows for a more efficient reproductive cycle, with males ready to give birth and mate again soon after. It's also a stunning example of how diverse evolution can be. How different strategies can emerge to solve the same basic problem of reproduction. In a world where biology often seems fixed and roles appear preordained, the seahorse swims in quiet defiance, a reminder that nature has